Hello everybody! Today I want to teach you a very effective anti-age massage. This massage technique is called sculpturing. It's very effective because it's affecting all different structures of our face: skin, muscles and bones. With this massage you will improve circulation, remove swelling, relax face muscles and open up the face. I adapted this massage so that you can also apply it as self-massage. So let's begin. For this massage we are going to use a little bit of oil or cream and a flat surface to be able to lean on our elbows. The first exercise is that you need to put the area between your eyebrows on the base of your palm, moving your skin as much as possible, just like you see on the video. Fixate this position for about 30 seconds and let your head slide down your palm under its own weight. During that, keep your neck relaxed. Repeat it 5 times. Every time fixate in this position for 3 to 5 seconds. Next technique is going to help us lift the eyebrows. Put base of your palm on the eyebrows, again moving the skin up as much as possible. And let your head slide down under its own weight. Fixate in this position again for 20 to 30 seconds. Your neck is relaxed. And your palms are moving along the forehead. Repeat it 5 times and every time fixate in that position for 3 to 5 seconds. Now we're going to do an exercise to relax temple muscles. Again, put base of your palm in the temple area just at the end of your eyebrow, moving your skin as much as possible up. And again, your head is sliding down under its own weight. Repeat it 5 times. Now we are going to work with the middle part of our face. Again, using the same technique, put the base of your palm on the cheekbone, fixate in that position for 20 to 30 seconds, and let your head slide under its own weight down. During that, keep your neck relaxed. Now put base of your palms next to the lips, fixate in that position for 20 to 30 seconds and let your hands slide all the way to your ears. Repeat it 5 times. Now we are going to work with the lower jaw. Put the base of your palms right under your chin, fixate in that position for 20 to 30 seconds and let your head slide down under its own weight. Move your palms apart right to the ear. Repeat it 5 times. If you like this massage, then like this video and ask questions. I'm gonna be happy to answer them. Subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends.